Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining us again today. We're back with another house tour. There's been a lot of work going on the past few weeks. You can maybe see there, we have some garage doors in, but those might not be the only garage doors we see today. There's lots of surprises inside and I'm excited to show you the progress. Let's get going. One of the more obvious changes you'll be able to see right away is we've got our garage doors in. These are beautiful steel garage doors. They're made to look like wood, but they're not. We also have our first coat of paint on. We went with the darker green on the bottom half of the house and a little bit lighter green up there at the top with this nice brown chocolatey trim to match the soffits and tie everything together. One more note on the garages. We did go with these Liftmaster Elite Series openers. These come Wi-Fi enabled with a MyQ app that allows you to control your garage door from your smart device. These also boast a built-in camera that you can monitor even when you're away from your house. It can be programmed to shut your garage doors at certain times, open or close your doors when you're away from home, and give you an extra sense of security. I'll leave a link to these openers in the description below if you're ready to upgrade your garage door openers. Next, we're going to enter the house through the mudroom. You can see they've got most of the trim up and they've got a first coat of paint on our walls. And as we walk through the mudroom, you'll get a first glimpse at our laundry room. Welcome to the laundry room. Now, even though this is a new house, Carrie and I wanted to make sure that it had a little character. We're adding touches like this antique door that we found at a local antique market. As you can see, this will be the door that will go into her pantry here. And in case anybody was wondering, no peddlers. Also in our laundry room will be a sink with some alder cabinets. They're hard to see due to the lighting. Here you can see one of the doors that we chose. On the first floor, we decided to go with naughty alder to give the place a warm look. We also went with naughty alder for our bathroom vanities. All of the cabinets in our home were custom made. The tile in the home has not been started yet. As we move from the master bathroom into the master bedroom, you can catch a glimpse of our deck. More on that in just a minute. As I continue through our master bedroom, we have our pocket office leading out to our great room and kitchen area. One of the biggest transformations is the kitchen. These cabinets just went in today. This 10-foot island will boast full pull-out doors, a custom trash receptacle, a copper farmhouse sink. Here's a preview of our farmhouse copper sink. Black stainless steel dishwasher, and for the countertops in here, we're going with Shadow Storm hard marble. It'll be a little extra work to take care of, but the look is amazingly stunning. The opposite side of the island will house convection microwave oven and full oven, along with a 36-inch range top. And since we all want Carrie to keep making cookies and other baked treats, we had these cookie sheet racks made to her specification. The backsplash will be fully tiled and will have a copper vent hood above our range. As we walk between the island and the cooktop station, you can see where our refrigerator will go. To the right of the refrigerator, we had a food pantry installed with full pull-out drawers. One last thing we opted for on all the lower cabinets in this kitchen were large pull-out drawers. This makes access to anything stored in the base cabinets much easier to get to. The kitchen looks incredible, but the real star of the show when you walk in are these pine ceilings. We had these custom trusses installed, and it really helps open up the room and add character as soon as you come through the front door. Not many updates on the fireplace. We have our stone picked out, and that should be going in the next week or so. We wanted to add a touch to the fireplace as well, so we found this 10-foot long beam from an old building that will become our mantle. Another area that is really starting to take shape is our screened-in porch. We decided to go with the same tongue and groove pine on the outside as we did on the inside ceilings. This will all be stained to match the same color as the inside and coated with a weatherproof UV protectant. One last detail outside before we go to everybody's favorite place, the guest room. We do have our decking on. We went with a Trex enhanced natural decking that should give us lifetime of enjoyment without much maintenance. Welcome to the guest side of the house. We included a pocket door to block off this side of the house to give our guests privacy when they come to visit. This side of the house boasts a full bathroom with a 48-inch vanity. We made the guest room large enough to comfortably house a king-size bed. Those of you with a keen eye will realize that we had the half wall taken out as we head to the basement, and we'll replace that with railing instead. It really helps to open up the space. And as we head to the basement, we'll see one of the most dramatic reveals of all. Our third garage has also been installed. This third garage will allow us to open this rec room area to the outside. The downstairs area will have a little bit more of a modern feel. Instead of the naughty alder pine doors, we decided to go with white doors down here. As we head to the third bedroom, you'll notice we also put a pocket door in this area so guests can have some privacy when they come to visit. And while this third bedroom is in the basement, it doesn't feel that way. It feels very light and open, especially with the 10-foot high ceiling. Here's a quick shot of the back of the house. You can see how it's really taking shape now that the screened-in porch is framed in. Before we leave, I want to say thank you for all of your support along the way. If you would like to see more updates on this house or see how the deck build is coming along down by the lake, please remember to subscribe down below. And if you hit that little bell notification right next to it, you'll get an update every time I upload new content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.